Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to send voice messages on X app. So if you also want to send voice messages on X app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sending the voice messages on X app is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the home interface. So in order to send the voice messages, first of all, you'll have to go to the direct message section. For that, simply tap on the envelope icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the direct messages interface. You'll be able to see all of your DMs over here. So simply tap on the chat of the person to whom you want to send the voice message. Now after that, you can see over here that particular chat will be opened. At bottom, you'll be able to see the message bar over here. On the message bar at right, you'll be able to find this kind of icon to record your audio. So if you want to send the voice message, all you have to do is tap and hold on this icon. And once you're done recording, what you have to do is release it. Let me just show you. Like this, you'll be able to record the voice message. If you're not okay with this voice message and if you want to cancel it, over here you'll also be able to find the option for cancel. But if you want to send the voice message, simply hit the send icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here the voice message will be sent. So that is how you send voice messages on X app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.